Hello, good morning friends. Today I will talk about one of the biggest name in football history and one of the biggest sports star in the world, none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. He is most expensive player in the history. He is playing for Portugal national team and Real Madrid club. He is young, he is football superstar. He is Cristiano Ronaldo, a famous and a normal human being. And you can see here the biggest success. But behind this success, there is a big struggle story, and we will see that struggle story of Cristiano Ronaldo today. He is Cristiano Ronaldo. His full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. He was born on 5th Feb 1985 in Portugal and currently living in Madrid. Cristiano Ronaldo's father name is Denis Aveiro and he was a gardener. He is having one brother whose name is Hugo. He is having two sisters. One is Liliana and another sister's name is Ima. Some times ago, Cristiano Ronaldo was living in a very small tin roof home. At the age of 8, he started playing football as a child. Then at the age of 12, the Cristiano Ronaldo signed with the Sporting Portugal in 2001 and he became the only player to play for Sporting under 16, under 17, under 18, Team B and first team all in one season. He is the first player for that Sporting national team who played all these in one season. But at the age of 15, he was diagnosed with a racing heart injury problem. And the conditions give him to conditions that could force him to give up playing football. Actually, he was having only two options. One is quitting football game or second is undergo a critical surgery. Then he decided to undergo a critical surgery and the surgery was successful, and then again he resumed the training within some days. But few days later, his father died because of drank too much alcohol and the kidney fail problem. And from that day onwards, actually he was loving his father very much, but that day onwards he decided not to drink alcohol. Till now he is not drinking any kind of alcohol. Then he again keep concentration on his game, and at the end of summer 2003, Ronaldo is transferred in Manchester United. So year 2003 he is transferred to Manchester United. Actually he was signed for over 12 million euro, record free for a player for his age. You can see that at the 2003 12 million euro. It's a record fee for. Then in March 2008, Ronaldo captained United for first time. 2009, Manchester United accepted an unconditional offer of 80 million euro from Real Madrid for Ronaldo. Then in from 2009 onwards he is playing for Real Madrid club. In year 2010, Ronaldo handed the number 7 jersey for Real Madrid. In July 2010, Ronaldo announced that he became a father of a baby boy, and the name of the boy is Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. Then his success continues. Season 2010-11, he scores 41 goals. Into season 2012-13 also same continues, and he is the Forbes highest paid footballer for 2013-14. The total income, actually he was the highest. Forbes has twice ranked Ronaldo first on their list of the world's highest footballer. In year 2013-14, the total income from all sources is $73 million, 14-15 $79 million, 15-16 $88 million. Actually, whatever the money is coming, he is donating a lot of money to the peoples, and because of this, so many newspapers also saying the Ronaldo as most charitable athlete. And Ronaldo said that my father always taught me that when you help other people, then God will give you double. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's the story of superstar. That's the story of normal human being. That's the story of football superstar. And you can see, if you see this as a motivational story, then you can please subscribe my channel to get more number of motivational stories. Thank you.